What?
I got mail.
You got mail.
I got mail, Mom.
All right.
Mommy, open.
Amelia, open.
I have a card.
It's a card?
I have a card. I have a card.
What's the stamp? What kind of stamp is it? What's this? Who's on the stamp?
What's it, Woody?
Butts and Woody. Attention to details, Amelia. Is it Nemo's? Buzz and Woody Nemo's?
Buzzy Woody. Buzzy Woody Nemo.
Buzz and Woody Nemo's.
Yep. Mommy, open.
What's the card say? Let me see. Ooh, there's a pumpkin. It says, hope it's the best ever. Love you, Dida.
And pocket head. Pocket head.
Pumpkinhead.
Mail open.
Really open.
Mommy, open. Mommy, open. Nemo. Hello. Nemo.
Did you say thank you, Dida?
Thank you, Tita.
I love you, Dida.
A pocket head.
Pumpkinhead. It is a pumpkin head.